All right, guys, if you are joining us, you are highly welcome. The people on TikTok, the people on Instagram, and also on Facebook, please let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live stream. If you are joining us from any of these platforms, you are welcome. Please double tap on your screen and share the live. On TikTok, can you guys hear me? And is it making noise? Is it okay, Abby? Guys, let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live. Let's make it faster so that we can have a better net. All right, the people on YouTube also, please let's double tap. We have some amazing people on YouTube. Now, what you are seeing on my screen is xauusd. Yesterday night, I actually dropped a video on TikTok where I was trying to make you guys understand something, that no matter what you are doing these days, if you are a forex trader or you are a gold trader, no matter what you are doing, please make sure you look for opportunities on how to buy gold. Always look for opportunity on how to buy gold, no matter what you are doing this period, no matter what the market is doing this season. Just look for opportunity on how to buy gold, because there is something that I want us to understand as day traders. Is first of all, what does that mean? We always need to comply with what is happening in the economy that we are trading. So for instance, you are a gold trader. You need to understand that as a gold trader right now, we are trading the SIBO, which is gold, XAU. We are trading it with USD, XAU, USD, XAU, USD. So we need to understand what it means, that it is the United States dollar, the economy itself, that is affecting this particular gold that we are trading. Remember, we also have XAU Euro, XAU JPY, but here, majority of the of traders trade XAU USD, just like me and you are doing now. So it is always advisable that you understand or you know what is happening in that particular nation or in that particular economy that you are trading. You understand? Guys, let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live so that we can work together now. I've already executed some buy trade. We're already on inside. And also, I still have the opportunity again. So that is why you can see I have a structure here. I have my line here, and I also have my line here. Now, why do I have my line here? Why do I have my line here? For the people watching on YouTube and Facebook, why do I have my line here? You see, I have my line here because here is a major support zone. We have price test it like 3 times now. So this is a triple bottom continuation. This particular testing 3 times is supposed to make the market continue the buy until it breaks above here. So if this market should expect this particular triple testing right here and it breaks above, once it pull back, in case you are not in any trade, you can conveniently and professionally take another buy trade around this zone. Because once price come out from this resistance zone, there's nothing like structure that will hold it until it gets to this resistance zone. So we are currently anticipating, because I have a trade here and this particular support here. If price should, and we also have some trade down below since yesterday. Now, once price break above this particular resistance, there's nothing like resistance here until here. And we all know that it is price that give price, it is structures that give price problem. Until the market approaches a structure, there's no problem. The market will just be moving straight. So now, that is why I said if you are not in any trade, and if you are here right now and you have a live trading account, where the market is still a very good support zone to also execute another live trade. So for the people watching us on YouTube, please give us a subscribe to this channel, and also do well to click on the bell, which is the notification button. So whenever we go live like this, we will always be notified to join us. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Please, if you are watching us from YouTube, we have amazing people on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell sign. Now, remember, as price action traders, how do we always analyze the market technically? See, it is very, very simple. I want us to understand something here. The closing of every candle speaks louder than any other thing. The way a particular candlestick take close, now they always tell us what we dey expect or what the market they do. The way a particular candlestick take close, now they always ginger us, now they always tell us, oh more, this market go buy you, or more for now. I'm not sure say this market go fit buy like that. Make I shift my leg, go back small. If you observe here, like I said earlier, here is a very strong support area, support zone, and it is a triple bottom. Now, you see this particular rejection because the market tried breaking below the support. The last candle that just closed, we are currently on 30 minutes time frame. So the last 30 minutes before we enter 12 o'clock now, the market tried breaking below, but it was rejected. Now, they rejected the price and it closed as an hammer candle. So this hammer candle is another bullish information that takes price up the more. So those are the key stuff that we are looking at for now. So those things now will now be giving you that morale, or let me say that confidence to execute your trade and letting your trade run in peace. What is the fundamental backings of this particular? Now, first of all, the higher time frame technical backing of this particular buy analysis was gotten from the weekly time frame. For those people that were in our live stream on YouTube or Sunday night, we will understand that on Sunday we said so long the previous week closed as a bullish hammer candle. Let's delete everything on our screen. Now, gold is originally a bullish trend on the weekly time frame, meaning buyers are the one in charge generally. Now, you now observe that last week, see, the market was actually expecting something called market structure, which is market structure is in an uptrend, price will always pull back, continue the buy, breaking resistance to form a new resistance, then it pull back again, testing this resistance, then it continue breaking this resistance to form a new resistance, pull back. So as the price is pulling back, it was rejected again. Now market is currently breaking this resistance. So this candle now closes as a buy momentum, and it closes as hammer candle. Bullish hammer. This is a clear hammer candle. Last week candle. This is last week candle. So this particular last week candle is supposed to make this week also continue the buy. Now, where are we targeting generally? I was speaking with Mr. Bob yesterday night. I said, why me personally, I will be looking continuously for the buy opportunity. And while looking for that buy opportunity, I am targeting market to come to this higher high. This is the current higher high. Like ever since gold has been trading, gold never buy past here, you understand? And now it don't buy reach, but the highest price is this. So I'm anticipating price to target that higher high between the ending of the month of February and early March. You understand? So if you now try as much as possible to break it down on the lower time frame, like the daily time frame, you will see some possibilities of price. We're expecting this particular technical analysis. From our daily chart, you will see price has broken above a resistance zone. So yesterday market break above this resistance massively. Are you seeing it? Technically, market has broken above another resistance. So what we supposed to look at for now, make the market pull back, make it continue. Now, why are they buying now? Why are they better profit this morning? Why are they buying the market already? We say when this market closed like this yesterday, with buy information yesterday, the Asia section Remember, the Asia section, they opened by 9 p.m. yesterday night. And the other one, they opened by 11 p.m. Now, all through the night, this market say, the sell now they pull back where will they anticipate before the continuation of the buy again. So as it be said before I come off with the market they already say, then you see here, I need to now look for a reversal pattern from where for the rejector, so where go confirm so or you continue the buy. So that is why you met me on 30 minutes time frame. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So if you now open your 30 minutes time frame, remember what I said now. On 1 hour on daily time frame, which happens to be the higher time frame that we are using to do our day trading, the market has also confirmed the same thing that we have on the weekly, which is the market is now has broken above here on the daily, telling us that more buyers are strongly in charge and the market still have that potential of buying more. So now, where are we targeting on the daily time frame? Can't you see a clear resistance right here? Now, you get what I fair explain give you now. I said if market break above resistance, now the next resistance now they always give a problem. That means this market will get momentum till reach here, even this week. So on the weekly chart, I'm anticipating this week candle to close bullish again, and it should be taller than the previous hammer candle where the market take close last week. So now when we say yesterday candle don't break above here, and today the market don't pull back to here. So you see, as the market pull back, for me to know that this market will continue, they go reject this red candle until it become green. Now for me to go down to the lower time frame and go and look for bullish reversal pattern. So in that case, I will open my lower time frame. So where I foresee reversal pattern at 30 minutes. So let make you come meet me for 30 minutes time frame before. So if you open your 30 minutes for the people that are following up with this class right now on YouTube, on TikTok, and also on FB, now you need to observe something. This was the pullback. See, a pullback on the higher time frame is always an established trend on the lower time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, that small sell where you see so now pullback it be, but the market actually reversed on 30 minutes time frame with a double top. This is a double top reversal pattern. It's a reversal pattern. Then, after the market, it dropped well, testing this particular zone here. What call they give me my buy signal now here. You see, what today here? What is the information that we have there? We have something. Do you know the information? Triple bottom continuation pattern. So here, you cannot say a reversal pattern because the market actually now uptrend today and it still did the uptrend. So the only thing where they happen here, we call it continuation pattern. So we are currently anticipating the uptrend to continue because now uptrend the market day. Are you getting what I'm explaining? So from here, now make I take buy trade here now. Then, and I said, for the sake of those people that are not in this trade yet, and they want to look out for opportunities to execute their trade, wait for price to break above it, because as we did this class this afternoon or this morning now, if you see price come up for here, you don't need to fear. Keep knocking it because it will come back to the resistance zone right here without fear. Because the market generally in an uptrend, you understand? So here we serve as what we call continuation pattern. Continuation pattern means the market is already there uptrend. So market where they uptrend, it they pull back before. Market where they uptrend, if they pull back, that means it has to be giving you a sell move now. Shebi? So now be the sell move. So many people, especially beginners, always mistake this kind of pullback to be a reversal. So instead of the person to try as much as possible to check if actually the market has reversed, the person will quickly be sentimental and the person will just decide that the market don't reverse. So the person will now be looking out for sell opportunities. Meanwhile, market still the uptrend. This particular sell right here happens to be a pullback that is supposed to happen on the daily time frame. For the sake of those people that are just joining us, because we are having network problem on TikTok, so we just changed the network on TikTok. Now, if you open your daily time frame, you will see that yesterday candle actually closes above a resistance zone right here. So if yesterday candle closes above this resistance, we are supposed to see, according to market structure, price should pull back to this same structure right here, then continue the buy, then it will now go and test this other resistance zone. So now, before we enter this office this morning, price has already sold. So we are trying to check, or we are trying as much as possible to be able to spot the continuation pattern on time. So that is why you see us on the lower time frame. So that doesn't mean that we are analyzing the market using the lower time frame. No, we are. Have you seen it? Have you seen it live? Can you hear me? Okay, the people on YouTube, I believe you guys can hear me now because I can hear it from here too. And the people from TikTok, hope you guys can hear me as well. Please, guys, please let's support the live. Let's double tap on our screen. Let's work together. Please let's work together, guys. And also on Facebook, let's check out the people on FB. Let's see what is happening there. Guys, let's double tap. Let's double tap, please. Let's double tap. Let's support the live stream. Are they near or low, something like that? You hear me now? Morning's farmer, can you hear me? Yes, Kelvin, there is news. So there is news, not just news. There is high impact news today. There is a stronger impact news today. Should we take a look at that? Let's observe the news. Make we check the news where we get today. That is fundamental analysis. Let's see. Guys, please let's double tap on our screen. Let's double tap. Let's share the live. One funny thing about forest factory is this, eh? Forest factory is not showing you the high impact news. Forest factory is actually showing traders now medium impact and low impact. But if you open your my FS book, you will see clearly that high impact news dey o. So no be something wey you suppose joke with. See am here. Employment change. It's high impact. In the next 1 hour 57 minutes. In the next 1 hour 57 minutes, the news will be released. The next 1 hour 57 minutes, the news will be released. Let's trade another small account here. Guys, we are currently working on a trading bot, and it will be released by the end of this month. So that we are actually trying to put our trading strategy inside a robot that can be trading for you, and we are doing it to be a scalping robot. Understand? We are doing it to be a scalping robot so that anybody can be using it and everybody can use it, even if you're a beginner. Understand? So it's a kind of robot that we actually be using to scalp as low as maybe $50. If you have $50, deposit it inside the account, and the robot will start trading for you with all those our trading strategy. So just keep anticipating it. By month end, we are going to release it, and you can always get it and use it to scalp the market. Now, why do you need it? You need a trading robot. If you're a full-time trader, you can always install it on one of your MT5 and put small thing there. You understand? And give it that go ahead to trade, to scalp with the money that you put inside. The robot will start scalping with all of those things that you guys have seen me do here online, while you concentrate on another account using your normal strategy and your normal day trading setups. Understand? So you can actually come back and you will see your $20 with massive profit, and sometimes it will blow because robot too they lag. Understand? Just the same way our analysis sometimes they fail. Like yesterday now, that particular first analysis, I was in good profit, oh, then all of a sudden the market go chop my stop loss. You know, say they happen like that. So if anybody tell you say no, they happen like that, wrong.